My name is Olutimileyin Olushuyi. I work at Rand Merchant Bank as a corporate and investment graduate analyst. I heard about the FMA scholarship with D. Brown when I transitioned from law to finance at training school. A friend made mention of the program, encouraging me to do it to skill up as a lawyer moving into core finance. What made me decide to join was the generous discount on the scholarship that made it really affordable, and I joined in. I joined for the scholarship, but I stayed because of the quality of the program. The FMA itself has a very fixed scope, but D. Brown went ahead to take you through everything you need to know about financial modeling, even for modeling for an existing business. And that really stood out for me because later on at work, it will come to a point where working on a model that has existing financials and you need to clean the financials. Having that knowledge from the D. Brown training was very helpful. What changed for me after enrolling for the academy? I was able to skill up on Excel because the program begins first by giving you access to advanced Excel training to prepare you to move faster on modeling, and that knowledge is portable across different areas of working as an analyst. Even if you are not modeling, the insistence on learning how to navigate with shortcuts and things like that has really made me more efficient at work, especially due to the kind of routine tasks and reporting I do. Would I recommend FMA to someone else? Absolutely. I think everyone should take the FMA. It's a very good way, especially if you are transitioning, like in my case, to get into what being an analyst is all about and to do it at a pace that is very comfortable. I had to postpone my exam from the first time, and you have the luxury to do that. So it made it easy for me to do and feel prepared and pass and get certified. Thank you.